But
Hello.
we are going to
Isla Saona.
God. We're at
Valladolid.
cerca de la Romana. Getting on the boats. Hola.
¿Qué fue lo que él dijo de las estrellas, amigos? Ah, que no se pueden topar.
Just a swimming area.
Okay.
When I jump in, the mic's gonna get wet, so I'll probably sound like crap after that for a little part.
Una soltada, tiene que ver que no quede así. Si queda así también se mueve.
So if we take the starfish, they have to be inside the water, and we cannot take them outside.
Above it?
And when you let it go, just make sure that it's outside.
It's not upside down.
Exactly.
Okay. It's like 2 feet down. Alright. Just trying to kill my vibe. You gotta do this a bit more dramatically. Whoa. Getting drunk and I guess I kinda am too, huh? Alright, let's go hunt some starfish.
You see those holes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course.
You wanna hold it?
What does it have on the bottom of the water? Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Just when you put it.
Wow, look at that.
Uh-huh.
Look at his mouth. Right there, there's his mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my god. My first starfish, look at that. You gotta try to keep them underwater as much as possible. Yeah, it just feels so weird. It's like it's gonna bite you or something. Shane, you see his little feet, how he moves along the ocean bottom. His mouth is right there in the middle. Sorry, it's wavy out here. It's hard to hold steady, but yeah, it's crazy. Never seen that before. Red. Wow, that's a big one. Another one right there too. A la playa. Entonces, She's excited.
That's how you feel?
Put yours on now.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my god. What in the world? So, I hope you guys can hear us. You basically step onto this picture of an island. And you gotta take a couple-minute walk. They're gonna take us to a different beach. Man, this is crazy. I've never seen this. She's all jaded. She's like, I've been here before. It's nothing special. It's special to me. Do you think, are the beaches better here than this one?
Comparing to other beaches in the island, I mean on the Dominican Republic, it is beautiful, but
do you think it's
Las Terrenas beaches is very beautiful
the same?
as well.
Okay.
Not the same, it's different. More olas, waves.
Oh, more wet. Well, I guess we'll have to go see that for ourselves, won't we? You get a pretty decent lunch when you come out here. Chicken looks pretty good. A lot of fruit. Just a little bit of energy you might need. I like the meat. They really spiced it up. That over there is our chill area. You get to go over there and relax. They basically got everything you want out here. There's bars. If you want to drink, you can buy drinks. Clean bathrooms, people selling stuff, you know. Just a cool little area. Coffee time. This is unreal. Look how beautiful this is. Feel that sand. Oh, amazing. Look at that water. It is just bluer than blue, my friends. Don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
No, not even close. What's up, Jerry? Jerry?
Yes, I am.
We are going to be on the system. We're the first ones getting on that bitch.
Exactly. We're gonna kick everyone and just get out of the way. We're going first.
He said it, not me. So something I will say here is, man, you don't get like a minute to relax. Like, people are constantly just, oh, you want to massage? Oh, you want to buy some jewelry? Oh, just over and over again. Like, probably happened at least 12 times since we've been here.
Gracias. Gracias, no.
Well, other than that, it's beautiful. Checklist. Things you should have. Sunscreen, which I'm not using right now. We'll see if I regret it.
Skin cancer.
What else? Sandals, a towel, a good camera,
And that's it.
and someone to keep you company. I really can't think of anything else.
There's nothing else.
And a smile. It's paradise.
Enjoy it. Disfruta.
Yeah, disfruta. Lo disfruta. Okay guys, so we got our tours ready to go. We're gonna head back in the, what's it called? No, we're gonna...
Oh, the catamaran.
That's us. So we're gonna get in the nets. We gotta go in the nets. Let's go. She got your hopes up. Because there is no net on the catamaran.
Yeah. The one that we're using does not have a net. Bummer.
Yeah. That's not the normal price though, right?
No, the normal price is 45. But I have my contacts, my Dominican contacts.
Hey.
So we saved maybe
$7.
$8. Yeah.
Okay. We saved a bowl at Chipotle each. So for a $38 day, not bad. It was very nice. I'm probably crispy. She's gonna try to rub it in my face, but I won't even let her know I'm burnt. I'll just be like, I'm fine. Where's your sunscreen? Where's your sunscreen? No. It's a lot cheaper because we drove to...
We drove to Bayaibe Beach. If you take the tour from Santo Domingo or from Punta Cana, it's gonna be probably maybe $60, $70 more.
Yeah, that's what it was
depending
saying
the-
on it online. Yeah.
Exactly.
So if you drive there, it's a lot cheaper. If you're gonna take it from Punta Cana or Santo Domingo, a bit more
It's even
pricey.
worth to rent a car.
So yeah, if you're gonna make use of the car, it's probably definitely worth just renting the car and going. Other than unless you drive like her.
Like what?
Not bad.
Let's go.
Free drinks if you want them. That's about it. We're just headed back.
Actually, like an hour and a half.
Guys, we made it. It was great. It was freaking amazing. I loved it. We had so much fun. I'm tan. Okay, I'm more red than tan, but still.
I'm tan. Right? Yes, I am.
Anyways, listen guys, it's worth it. Go do it. If you drive, you save money. If you don't, you spend extra. I had fun. A lot of flying fish on the way back. Love you guys.